In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold up your green screen or your portable reflector. So let's get right into the video. Now, whether it be black screens, green screens, or portable reflectors, the really awesome thing with all of these screens is they are super portable. All you have to do is just fold them down, drop them into your bag, and you're good to go. This means you can carry your green screen with you, your black screen, your portable reflector, you can take it with you on set, and you're not going to have to carry around this gigantic screen. But the problem is with these screens is if you haven't practiced with one of these, then they can be extremely difficult to put away. Now, I've seen many filmmakers on set, they get their screen out, they do everything that they need with the screen, and when it comes to changing locations or wrapping the shoot at the end of the day, they're faffing around, trying to fold this thing into its original position, and it just doesn't go right for them. It's embarrassing, and it's just not very professional. So I'm gonna help you out with that today, and I'm gonna show you the correct technique on folding a smaller screen like this reflector or a big screen like the big portable green screen. So let's get into those techniques. Now, a portable reflector will come in a bag which is around this big. This is perfect to throw in a bag, but as soon as you take this out of the bag, it expands to much bigger. So how do you get this gigantic reflector into this really small bag? Well, you first want to put the reflector right out in front of you. You want to take your one arm, face your palms out, and grab the side of the reflector. Now take your other arm and face it the opposite way and bring it in to grab this side of the reflector. So this hand should be facing out, this hand should be facing in. Now at the same time, you want to twist both of these in opposite directions. So this side is going to push forward, this side is going to push back towards me. So we'll push those until we get this figure 8 or an infinity symbol. Now, from here, all you have to do is place this side under this side. So my right, your camera left, will go under this one. And as you can see, this middle part will swoop under into a circle. You want to take the left hand, grab that, pull it in together, and there you go. You've got yourself a perfectly folded reflector. Now, all you have to do from here is just drop that in to your bag, and you're good to go. You can shove this into your bag and move to the next location. Now, this is the green screen folded up, and yes, I'm aware it is probably about the same size as a reflector when it was extended, but this is because we're using the green screen as a backdrop. So when we fold this out, this thing is absolutely huge. You can see why this is going to be very difficult and very awkward, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the techniques. We've got to do a very similar process. We've got to turn this gigantic screen into a circle, and I've tried this many different ways. I've tried multiple different techniques, and there's only one technique that works for me. So let me show you. It's kind of similar to what we did with the reflector, but it's a little bit different. So we're going to place the long edge away from you. So we're going to put one of the close edges towards you. There you go. You want to grab one side with your right arm, one side with your left arm. And then you want to place this short end just under your belt. So you want to use your belt or your belly as a third point of contact on the screen. So you've got right hand, left hand, and then belt or belly just here. Now from here, we're going to pull up with the right and the left, but we're going to try and push down with the belt or the belly. So we're going to try and fold the screen in on itself. So we should basically try and fold and make a gigantic taco. Now from here, you want to take your left hand and you want to make sure that this third point of contact with the belly or your belt is nice and secure. You want to take your left hand, pull this in. You want to twist this in towards you, and just before this snaps, you want to follow that round with the right. So as you can see, the bottom swoops under, the right comes on top, the left is going under the right hand. So you've got two here. And now you just grab the bottom, pull that up, and there you go. You've got yourself a green screen perfectly folded up. So there you go, portable green screens, portable reflectors, portable black screens. They're all really awesome and really convenient, especially when you're on the move or outside doing a filming or photography project. But they're super awkward and they can be really embarrassing if you don't know how to put them down. So before you go out on your next shoot and use one of these things, make sure you have practiced and make sure you know how to put one of these things down, because it can get really embarrassing when you're on set and trying to put this screen down but you're really struggling. So if you found this useful, or if you feel like you just learned something, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And of course, if you're subscribed, then I will see you on the next video. See you there.